Welcome back. In this video I will show you Excel up and down arrow formula. So if you want an arrow to be appear in a separate cell based on the calculation, you can use a formula combined with a specific font like Wingdings 3. So you need to use the formula. So put the equal sign and use the if function and open the bracket and use the first cells, which is the price of the first week, and you need to put the less than sign and select the second cell, the price of the second week. Excel basically compares the price between B and C cell, and then comma, space, double quote, type P, and P is mapped to a solid up arrow, double quote. That means if the B2 cell is greater than the C2, Excel display the letter P and space bar, comma, space, double quote, Q. If the B2 cell is not greater than C2, Excel display the letter Q, and that is mapped to a solid down arrow, double quote, close the bracket and hit enter to complete the formula. Now drag the formula to the other values. Now here is the magic trick. Highlight those cells and then go to your home and click on the font menu and scroll down all the way down to select Wingdings 3. And suddenly those letters transforms into professional looking up and down arrows. And here you can see that. For example, if your values are changing, it will automatically adjust. You can see that. So I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.